Right now, there's a place on Earth where people are moving entire mountains just to find a few tiny flakes of gold. And here's the crazy part. Despite thousands of years of digging, nobody can agree on how much gold is actually left. Welcome to Fact Harbor. And the answer to this mystery is far stranger than most people realize. Imagine every gold ring, Olympic medal, gold bar, and treasure chest ever discovered. Now imagine trying to figure out what's still hiding underground. Sounds simple, right? Not even close. Because the deeper scientists looked, the weirder the story became. And one discovery changed everything. Gold has obsessed humans for thousands of years. Empires launched wars for it. Explorers crossed oceans for it. Entire cities appeared overnight because somebody found a shiny rock in a river. But here's the question nobody thinks about. What happens when we finally run out? You've probably heard that gold is rare. That's true, but rare doesn't mean almost gone. Every year, mining companies continue pulling new gold from the ground. So if miners keep finding it, how much could still be hiding beneath our feet? The answer seems like it should be sitting in a spreadsheet somewhere, yet estimates keep changing. Some experts think we've already found most of Earth's accessible gold. Others point to discoveries that suggest we've barely scratched the surface. So who's right? Most people imagine Earth as a giant treasure chest packed with gold veins waiting to be discovered. The logic sounds reasonable. The planet is enormous. We're constantly finding new deposits. Therefore, there must be endless riches underground. And to be fair, that belief gets support from the news. Every so often, a mining company announces a major discovery worth billions of dollars. Suddenly, it feels like there's gold everywhere. Think about the last time you saw a gold necklace in a store. There are millions of them. Banks store gold bars by the ton. Electronics use gold components. The supply seems endless. But there's a problem hidden inside that assumption. The gold we can see is not the same as the gold we can actually reach. And once geologists started comparing those numbers, the picture became much more alarming. But wait until you hear where most of Earth's gold really is. The biggest misconception is that all underground gold is available for mining. It isn't. Some deposits are too deep, others are too small. Many cost more to extract than the gold is worth. A mountain might contain gold, but turning that mountain into profitable metal is a completely different challenge. As a result, experts often focus on something called gold reserves, the amount that can realistically be mined with current technology and economics. And those numbers reveal a surprising reality. Humanity has already mined roughly over 200,000 tons of gold throughout history. That sounds enormous until you realize all of it could fit into a cube only a few dozen meters wide. Seriously, thousands of years of obsession would fit inside a surprisingly small space. So if we've already recovered that much, how much remains? The answer takes us to a place nobody expected. According to current geological estimates, known mineable reserves are measured in only tens of thousands of additional tons. At current rates, that suggests accessible gold is far more limited than many people imagine. But that's not the shocking part. The shocking part is that the overwhelming majority of Earth's gold isn't in mines at all. It's buried deep inside the planet's core. When Earth formed billions of years ago, heavy elements sank toward the center. Gold went with them. Scientists estimate that well over 99% of Earth's total gold may be locked far beneath the crust, thousands of miles out of reach. Think about that for a second. Nearly all the gold on Earth exists in a place humans cannot access. The next time you see a gold ring, remember this. You're looking at material from the tiny fraction that never sank into the core. But if most gold is trapped forever, why do new discoveries keep happening? Because Earth is still giving up secrets. Geologists continue finding deposits in unexpected places. New exploration technologies can detect hidden resources that previous generations missed. Some researchers are even studying ways to extract valuable metals from seawater, though gold concentrations are incredibly tiny. And then there are asteroids. Certain space rocks may contain enormous amounts of precious metals, including gold. What sounds like science fiction today is already being seriously discussed by scientists and private companies. So the question isn't simply whether Earth is running out of gold. The real question is whether humanity will change where it looks. Gold's value has never come from abundance. It comes from scarcity, difficulty, and the fact that finding more is never easy. Every ounce represents years of exploration, risk, engineering, and sometimes pure luck. That scarcity helps shape economies, kingdoms, and global trade for centuries. And despite all our technology, one mystery remains surprisingly unchanged. Humanity spent thousands of years chasing gold across deserts, mountains, and oceans. Yet the greatest gold treasure on Earth may be sitting where we can never reach it, deep beneath our feet. And somehow, that makes every tiny piece we hold feel even more extraordinary.